Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to set North America 4 by 6 paper size in Excel. So guys, this is very easy to set it. First you need to click on here, page layout. Now click on size. Now click on more paper size. And here paper size you can click on here and select this North America 4 by 6 paper size. Scroll down in the last and you see this North America 4 by 6 this page size. So just click on it and click on OK. So this way you can very easily set North America 4 by 6 paper size in Excel. So thanks for watching this video.